game is called Number Dominos. I'll show you the layout of Number Dominos. This is yours. This is yours. This is yours. This is the layout of Number Dominos. I'll now show you how to play the game. Patrick.
Yes.
Please mention the numbers on both sides of this domino.
3 and 1.
Good. Now look among your dominoes and see if you have a matching number. Good. Connect it to the domino on the right number. John.
Yes.
Please mention the number on the head and tail of the domino.
1 and 4.
Now look among your dominoes and see if you have 1 and 4.
Yes.
Now connect it to the domino to match the number. Good. Sadiq.
Yes.
Mention the numbers to the head and tail of the dominoes.
1 and 5.
Now look among your dominoes and see if you have 1 and 5.
Yes.
Good. Now connect it to the dominoes with the right number. Patrick,
Yes.
mention the numbers to the head and tail of the domino.
5 and 5.
Now look among your dominoes and see if you have 5 and 5. Good. Now connect it to the appropriate domino. John,
Yes.
the tail and head of the dominoes.
5 and 3.
Now look among your dominoes and see if you have 5 and 3.
Yes.
Good. So connect it to the appropriate domino. Wow. Sadiq,
Yes.
look at the dominoes and mention the head and tail of the numbers.
2 and 3.
Now look among your dominoes and see if you have 2 and 3.
Yes.
Good. Now connect it to the appropriate domino. Wow. Patrick, mention the head and tail numbers of the domino.
1 and 3.
Now look among your dominoes and see if you have 1 and 3.
Yes.
Good. Now connect it to the appropriate domino. Wow. John, mention
Yes.
the head and tail of the domino.
3 and 5.
Do you have 3 and 5 among your
No.
Sorry. Now pick one. Okay, Sadiq,
Yes.
mention the head and tail of the domino.
3 and 5.
Okay, so look among your dominoes and see if you have 3 and 5.
Yes.
Now connect it to the appropriate domino. Good. Patrick,
Yes.
mention the head and tail of the domino.
3 and 4.
Do you have 3 and 4?
Yes.
Good. Now connect it to the appropriate domino. So this is how the game is played until all children get chances to play, and then one of the children has no keys in their hands again. Thank you. So in this game, Patrick becomes our winner. Let's give him a clap.
Hey.